Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel and welcome to our General Mathematics subject. This is for the STEM student and TVL Maritime in the University of the Visayas. Okay, so right now we're gonna present it to you, your assignment for the week, and you're going to pass this one next week, Friday. That would be October 23. Now, as soon as you finish your assignments, then you can pass it before Friday. Alright, so right now, here is your, or here are your assignments. Okay, so number one, provide a real world example or scenario that can be expressed as a relation that is not a function. So that would be your number one. Number two, provide a real world scenario of a scenario that can be modeled by a linear function. Okay? So number three, a videoke machine can be rented for 1,000 pesos for 3 days. But for the fourth day and onwards, an additional cost of 400 pesos per day is added. Represent the cost of renting a videoke machine as a piecewise function of the number of days it is rented and plot its graph. So there are two questions for number three, guys. You're going to represent the cost of renting using the piecewise function, and the second one you're going to plot its graph. Okay, number four, the fee for hiring a guide to explore a cave is 700 pesos. Now, a guide can only take care of a maximum of 4 persons, and additional guides can be hired as needed. Represent the cost of hiring guides as a function of the number of tourists who wish to explore the cave and plot its graph. So, same with number 3, there are two questions for number 4. First one, you're going to represent the cost of hiring uh, as a function of the number of tourists. Now the second one, you're going to plot its graph. Okay, and for the last item, or I'm sorry, wala na ko ma-slide. Sorry, let me read it again for you guys. Okay, muna number 3, so let me read it again, the number 4. Okay, basig na-miss ninyo. So again, the fee for hiring a guide to explore a cave is 700 pesos. A guide can only take care of a maximum of 4 persons, and additional guides can be hired as needed. Represent the cost of hiring guides as a function of the number of tourists who wish to explore the cave and plot its graph. So that would be your number 4. Same with number 3. There are two questions. You're going to create a graph for the second problem in that particular item. So number 5, so this would be your number 5. So the cost of hiring of catering service to serve food for a party is 150 pesos per head for 20 person or less. Okay? And 130 pesos per head for 21 to 50 person. And 110 pesos per head for 51 to 100 person. For 101 or more person, the cost is at 100 per head. Represent the total cost as a piecewise function of the number of attendees of the party. So that would be your number 5. So if the question here, mangutana gani mo kung asa or unsaon pagpass, okay, you have multiple options. I'm gonna tell you the first one. So ang una niyong option is you're going to write this in your Microsoft Word or in a Word software. If you're using Google Docs, it's okay. You're using Microsoft Word, it's okay. If you're using LibreOffice Writer, it's okay. So after that, you answer your problem there. There will be a graph for number 3 and number 4. If you don't know how to write or insert a graph in Microsoft Word, you can write it in any kind of paper, bond paper or just the yellow pad paper. Then after that, you're going to take a picture on that one, and then you're going to insert or paste it in your Microsoft Word or in your Word file. Alright, then after that, you're going to save, and then you're going to send it to me in MS Teams. So you can direct message me, then you can attach a file, then you're going to put assignment number 1 and open parenthesis right there, function as a machine, then close parenthesis. Okay, now again, I'm going to repeat it for you. After you save your Word file, you're going to go to MS Teams. You're going to chat it on me, or it to me rather. Then you can attach the file. Then you're going to attach your Word file, and then send it to me. Then you're going to make a file name, save it as assignment number 1, open parenthesis, then function as a machine, then close parenthesis. So I already knew that you are the one who you are the owner on that, because you are the one who passed it to me. Then I know who's the owner of that particular assignment. Okay, and then one more thing, please do not copy the answer of your classmates, and copy the problem first before answering, so I can see it clearly. Okay, and what else? If ever you have the same scenario with your classmate, or should I say an example, I can uh, the explanation would differ. So meaning, if the explanation of student A is the same with student B, then there will be a big possibility that they are cheating, or they are just copying each other or each answer. Right? So I hope you're going to study well, to think well, so that you can have your own answer, because we're here in online class, not to cheat, not to just copy paste, but to learn something. So I hope you're going to do what is right. Again, this is Teacher John, and bye bye for now.